Hi everyone, this is Avelino Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will get another reaction video from Remo 2023. So the title of our video for today is the Mr. Rain Sings Supereroi. So I won't take any longer. This is the first time that I'll be hearing the voice of Mr. Rain, and if I'm not mistaken, he is the second place or in the outstanding placement of Remo 2023. He got the second place and the second spot and the first spot, which I reacted already. If I'm not mistaken, let me just recall the name of that guy. Marco, is that right? Marco, yes, Marco Mengoni. So I won't take any longer because, oh my god, male singers dominating the Sanremo 2023. So I won't take any longer. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next. Without further ado, all you have to do is just sit down, relax, brace yourselves, and let's all watch this. Okay, let's do this. The subtitle is not available. Wait. Is he executing a spoken poetry? I really love the quality of his voice. I think he is a baritone. His low tone register voice is amazing. As what I have said earlier, or from the previous video that I reacting, I am really amazed with the singers who can execute well with their low tone register voice rather than hitting or executing a high tone or head tone, because hitting the low notes is more difficult rather than hitting the high notes, because you have to enunciate the lyrics clearly. You have to pronounce the song of the lyrics of the songs properly. For this one, my god, I am really amazed with his spoken poetry introduction of the song, and I think I'm gonna love this. The quality of his voice is amazing. Oh wow. Oh. Oh, wow. He really looks like Justin Bieber, right? Mr. Rain looks like Justin Bieber. Please comment down below how old is this guy. And oh my god, I hope that the subtitle is available so that I can understand what he is singing. But I do believe that music is a borderless, even you don't understand it. But if you can feel it, what the singers wants to feel to the viewers, you can understand the said music itself, because music is borderless. I think this song is for the children, is for the hope, is that children is our future. Is that right? Please comment down below. Thank you. Oh, I love the low tone. Mm-hmm. Wow. Oh wow. This is really one to hear when the guy or the boy executing a rap without any fears on his face, but the sounds is really swag. I love the quality of his voice. My goodness gracious, I am really amazed with his voice. Mr. Rain, I am really curious why he just got second spot. Although Marco is really good, but this song is very impactful. Even you don't understand it, or even I myself didn't understand it because there is no subtitle available here. But you know, the impact of the song together with the children, goodness gracious, it's perfect. To be honest, it's really perfect. Siamo distanti, ogni volta che piangi, piange pure il cielo. Non ho molto da darti, ma ti giuro che. And at the same time, the song, the rhythm, and the beat of the song is really catchy. This is one thing that I really love about music from Italy are reacting to the Sanremo 2023 music. Even this the songs of Maneskin, it's perfect. Even the songs Brividi from Mahmoud and Blanco, if I'm not mistaken. Even I don't understand it, but it's really perfect. You know, the music of Italy, or the music that creating in singing in Sanremo is just like very, very meaningful to me. Even I don't understand it seriously, because the rhythm and the beat and the quality of the singers, the voice of the singers that executing the song, amazing.
Camminerò a un passo da te e fermeremo il vento come dentro gli uragani. Supereroi come io e te.
Okay.
Se avrai paura allora stringimi le mani, perché siamo invincibili, vicini. E ovunque andrò sarai con me.
Not to mention, also the children's is executing their voices is well blended and well complemented to Mr. Ring. I love it. I love that on what I'm hearing right now.
Supererò solo io e te, due gocce di pioggia che salvano il mondo. Mi basta un attimo e capisco che ogni
Oh,
cicatrice tu anche mia.
the story of the song here. Oh my goodness gracious. How he enunciate, how he put some emotions to the song, that he is investing too much emotion to the song. Even if you don't see him on the facial expression of Mr. Ring, but you can really feel to his voice that he is putting a 100% emotions to the song.
Mi basta un attimo per dirti che con te ogni posto è casa mia, perché siamo invincibili, vicini. E ovunque andrò sarai con me. Supereroi solo io e te, due gocce di pioggia che salvano il mondo dalle nuvole.
Hey, I love it. My god. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, this is really cute.
A un passo da te e fermeremo il vento come le...
He is such a gentle, fierce young man, Mr. I really love how he communicate to the children, to the by looking to their eyes and sitting down there. It's perfect. Oh my goodness gracious. Ah, Italy, my goodness gracious. If Blanco, or I mean, who is this guy? Mr. Rain and Marco will be the one to either one of them represent in Eurovision 2023. Italy will gonna slay it. Italy will gonna nail it. I'm pretty sure of that.
Dentro gli uragani, supereroi come io e te. Se avrai paura allora stringimi le mani, perché siamo
Okay.
invincibili,
Didi.
vicini. E ovunque andrò sarai con me. Supereroi solo io e te, due gocce di pioggia che salvano il mondo dalle nuvole.
Wow, the low tone register voice. My goodness gracious, already done? Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The Sun Remo 2023. Mr. Rain sings Supereroi. I love the song. I really love the song. It's perfect. My goodness gracious, it's amazing. The rhythm and the beat of the song as well. Such an orgasm. The voice of Super Rain. Love it. So yeah, this is KJ Avelino Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And see you on my next. Bye.